Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ay isang overview, pasilip sa 2025. Tingnan natin ano yung energies na parating sa inyo ngayong 2025. So, meron pa rin naman kayong annual tarot reading for 2025 sa December. Abangan nyo yan. Okay, so if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see, Pisces, what's coming to you 2025. Okay, you have the 8th house, Aries, Venus. Wow. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, Pisces, maaring meron kayong big investment ngayong 2025. Can be any investment. Pwedeng sa lupa, sa property, or mag-open kayo ng business, online selling, or, traditional na business. Pwedeng may kinalaman to sa health, sa beauty, no? Health and beauty. Pwede rin sa stock market, or sa cryptocurrencies, NFTs, kung ano-ano pa. I see na mas magiging assertive kayo rito. Yung tipong meron kayong idea tapos dire-diretso nyong gagawin. Have you ever experienced that na biglang may eureka moment ka tapos hindi ka nagsayang ng oras at panahon? Talagang nag-take action ka na lang and eventually nakita mo na mabilis yung naging pag-unlad at maganda yung naging resulta ng sinimulan mo. Ganon. Ganon yung nakikita ko for you. I also see a very very deep connection with someone na kung kayo ay papasok sa isang relationship, maaring magiging mabilis rin yung mga pangyayari na tipong kakakilala, puro ka, kakakilala nyo pa lang, maaring mapunta na agad sa intimacy. Dahil maaring meron ditong very strong connection or very strong energy sa inyong dalawa na hindi mo mapalagpas. Okay? So, transformation then for you, I see that you are transforming your physicality, your physical appearance. I feel like mas ini-improve mo yung sarili mo, you are going to practice self-love, self-care, and it will transform you to a new version of yourself. Na tipong magugulat yung ibang tao na, uy, ang laki ng pinagbago mo, Pisces. Yung mga time na, yung matagal kayong hindi nagkita. Oo. Kahit sino pa yan, kahit friend, romantic partner, na matagal nyo hindi nakita, magugulat sa change ninyo. Kasi maaring masaalagaan mo yung sarili mo. Diba? Andito si Mars, which is motion, action. This makes sense kasi si Aries ruled by Mars din yan. You are going to be very passionate. Passionate sa relationship, passionate sa business, sa career path mo, o kung ano man yung attention mo, or ano man yung interest mo ngayong 2025. You have Gemini, cross-pollinate. I also see you widening your network. Mas marami kang magiging friends, connections. Kung ikaw ay magiging busy sa social media, malaki rin yung may aambag ng social media presence mo sa pag-unlad ng kabuhayan mo. Let's say, for example, yung mga TikTok affiliates, diba? They started out as, parang konti lang yung followers, and then nag-share na sila ng mga products. And eventually, lumago yung kanilang affiliation, yung kanilang business. So, maaring ganon. You will, kumbaga, magle-leverage ka through your connections. You will use your leverage through your connections. You also have retrograde, so i-review mo, i-reassess mo ang iyong life ngayong 2025 about what are the things na kailangan mong i-improve, ano yung mga bagay na kailangan mo i-let go, at kung saan ka dapat mas mag-focus. Oo, kasi kumbaga, inaalam mo saan ka nagkamali, ano yung dapat hindi mo ginawa, ano dapat yung ginawa mo. Okay, let's see what else for Pisces 2025. The sun. Wow, this is energy, this is life. I feel like you are going to be more confident sa iyong sarili ngayon 2025 in all aspects. Physical appearance mo, the way you carry yourself, and confident ka rin sa mga business or trabaho, career na papasukin mo. Maari ring meron talagang pwedeng you will easily fall in love with someone or someone will easily fall in love with you. Yan. So, merong attraction talaga ng romantic connection dito. And nakikita ko rin na magpo-focus ka sa kalusugan mo. You want yourself to be strong. Kasi yung iba nag-gym para magpapayat, magpa-sexy. Ikaw, kung gusto mo mag-gym or any activities na gagawin mo yun kasi gusto mo maging malakas. Ace of Pentacles, new opportunities, new beginnings for your career, business, pwedeng meron ka rin mabibili na property, na kung saan doon magsisimula yung pangarap mo, doon mo, para ka nagtanim, no? Na doon mo sisimulan magtanim at aalagaan mo yung tinanim mo hanggat makuha mo yung resulta nun, yung harvest time. You have the Hierophant. So, this is about your knowledge. Marami ka ng alam. And yung iba sa inyo, hindi porket marami ka ng alam, titigil ka na sa pag-aaral. Yung iba sa inyo, you will do self-study or you will research more, you will improve your knowledge until may kakayanan ka na mag-share ng knowledge sa iba. So, pwedeng meron kang ima-master na kaalaman, ima-master na skill, na pwede ka rin makatulong sa iba. You have the Lover, so this is harmony, union, love. So for some of you na naghahanap ng romantic relationship, by 2025, meron parating, no? If you are single. And I think this is a very serious relationship. Pwede itong mauwi sa kasalan or sa higher level of commitment. You may also be engaged with a business partnership, someone na alam mong makakatulong mo sa pagpapaunlad ng negosyo mo, someone na may maraming na alam, no? Marami ng alam. Parang mentor, ganyan. So, pwede yung mentor mo, siya mismo yung mag-open up sa'yo sa isang opportunity na pwede niyong pagsamahan together or pagtrabahuhan together. Can be a business or a project. Okay, let's say sa money, career, finances. Uy, may present. Merong gift na parating sa'yo. Maaring meron kang marireceive na significant na regalo pagdating sa trabaho, business, career mo. Pwede siyang literal na regalo or pwede ring symbol, no? Parang like a gift. Example, meron kang promotion sa work or meron kang naisip na magandang idea sa business na naging very successful. So, that's also a gift being given to you. Okay? So, pwede rin namang may matatanggap ka na na kaperahan from someone. Okay? As a regalo. Sa love life, let's see. Honesty. So, mas magiging open ka sa connections mo, whether this is romantic, sa family, sa friendship. Ang importante kasi is open ka sa feelings mo, open din sila sa'yo para maiiwasan yung conflict, no? Minsan kasi hindi nagiging totoo sa isa't isa, so nami-misinterpret, nauuwi sa problema. So, you also have stork. So, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng merong baby coming in. Pwedeng ito yung gift na ibibigay sa inyo if you are wanting to have a baby. Some of you rin, merong major change happening sa inyo. Pwedeng related sa trabaho niyo, sa business, or sa career, like a new beginnings, gaya ng nabanggit kanina. Ito ay ano rin, healing from your past. So, merong message na parating sa inyo. This can be a good message or good news coming in. Maaring ito yung matagal mo nang hinihintay, especially if you are someone na gustong mag-migrate sa ibang lugar. Tapos may inaayos ka na papers, visa, or, mga kung ano-ano pang document. So, there's good news coming in. You also have the mountain. The mountain is about an obstacle na ma-overcome mo. Oo. Kailangan lang talaga dito malakas yung loob mo kasi pag ikaw pinanghinaan, may hirapan ka na malagpasan yun. So, ang mountain, it also symbolizes na there is hope, merong pag-asa. Lagi mo lang isipin na lahat ng problema may solusyon. Okay, let them go. You're also going to let go of situation, relationship, connections, trabaho, business, career, whatever this is na sa tingin mo, it's no longer serving your highest good. Okay? So, ito yung mga pinanghahawakan mo, you keep on holding on to this, pero the more na nag-hold on ka, the more na nahihirapan ka at nasasaktan ka. So, ngayon, 2025, you are letting go of that. That is holding you back. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. Bye.